Is he little?
He's little and he's not big. I am big too.
You are big. You're the big brother.
And I fix my tag. Thomas' skin takes a back on the edge. That's not good. Skill. That's not skill. That's not scary. Skill. Mama, my boyfriend is scared.
He's scared. I think he's pooping.
No, he was not pooping.
You're so gentle with him, Adam. You're so gentle.
No, Ben swallow.
Yeah, very big.
Join me.
Then I'm big.
And you are big.
And Mama's big too.
Yeah.
And Dad's
Raise that
little.
carefully.
Yeah. Daddy's little.
Mama's little too.
And no, Mama's actually big. He takes a big.
Mama's actually.
Cheese!
Did you pick up on that word?
Hi, Ben. Hi, Dr. Scary.
Brothers are pretty special, aren't they?
No, I know it's here. I'm a big boy.
You're a big brother, and Ben is a little brother.
Hi, Ben. Hi. I'm the big brother.
You are the big brother.
I
You're
got
a very,
that.
very special big brother.
I said this and hold baby bear.
You did, yes.
I did it as the night. But now, it's the night.
Huh. Ben likes to have you hold him.
I don't hold him tonight.
Mm-hmm.
I've been sleeping out and we no.
Please don't tell me you're a dude, because that would be like the third time
He's
since
a
I'm
wild
here.
boy.
I don't think I
Maybe
can handle
he can make big one out when he gets big.
Yeah.
You worth waiting for.
Hi, baby Ben. This baby.
Oh, it's awesome. This 4-year-old
Ben,
working on for the last
you have me again. He.
I've just been waiting for someone to come up to
Boss?
the park.
That's not scary for you. That's a hormone.
If I'm being completely honest,
Not too scary, Ben. That's not scary. And I'm faster and faster. Now back to here and down, cliff and the sea of the road. I know, baby Ben. I know, but you get bigger now. So you get big. So he's getting bigger. Not yet. Maybe he gets bigger, Mama.
He is going to get bigger. You're right. Right now he's still very little. I think he's sliding out of his chair. Mama's going to fix him. There you go, buddy. Oh.
I got him. No, he wants to sit here.
Well, his PJs are so big because he's such a little baby. These are size newborn, hanging off of you.
Elephant. That's a sweet boy.
Hi, baby.
What? What had he? Ben's getting bigger, Mama. Ben's getting bigger, Mama.
He is, but he's still a little baby.
But he's still a little baby.
his imagination.
The best we did top of the mountain and the sea below. Four side prison. And a brother every day, no water was. My brother's grandmama.
Adam, can you sing Ben a song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, O, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time we'll just say
The world needs more creative thinkers who have a passion for technology.
Oh, that's good. I think he likes that song.
It's our mission
I like this song.
to be arts professionals.
You ever just to stereo. Not really.
Can you sing the song you were singing in the car?
I was singing ABC.
Yeah. Can
How
you-
about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? I don't know if he knows that one. Does he know that one?
Hell, I got that.
About my name is Ben.
No, this my friend.
Ben is your friend?
Yeah.
Can you say my name is Ben? His name is Ben?
No,
He's my friend?
no, this my friend too.
What?
And you his best friend, yeah, Adam.
Grandpa's his best friend too?
Yeah, Adam. Mama's best friend, Adam too.
Right.
And Dad's best friend, Adam too. And Ben's my best friend.
Everybody's best friends, huh?
Me too.
Right.
Yes.
And you, Mama.
Ben is watching you, babe.
He is. He's turning. He's actually turning his head.
Oh, he's scaring.
You'll make him poop his pants.
Too late.
Ah,
Just started doing that anyway.
scary. I'm so silly.
Hi.
I'm so silly.
You are silly. You do a tumble?
A tumble.
Oh. Not your best tumble. Do another one.
I do a big tumble.
Okay, do it again. We gotta work on that.
Dad trying to do it.
I do a little one.
I went to see one of my little girls the other day do a home visit, and she takes me to her room and she does a cartwheel and she says, "Can you do that?" I said, "Nope, I
I
can't."
see Ben. Like his
Mom, I
pieces
said, "Get
on.
over my head."
He's sleepy. He's watching you.
See? Not you.
Hello. Sleepy baby. Ben is how old? He is 5 days old. Oh, it's hard for Mama to get on and off the floor.
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay, let's get ready for bed. Can you say goodnight to Ben?
Good night, Ben.
Go give him a kiss. Very nice. All right, say goodnight.
Good night.